Hello my internet friends, John Gibson here with I Need Examples. Today I will be covering the CountIf Excel function. If you wish to follow along, there is a link to the Excel file for this video in the description below. While you are down there, please like, subscribe, and leave me a comment on this video or an Excel tutorial you would like to see. The CountIf Excel function is an Excel statistical function that counts the number of cells which meets the requested criteria. There are two required arguments for the CountIf function. Range. This is a selection of cells within your Excel workbook. And criteria. This is a number, expression, cell reference, or text string that determines which cells will be counted. In the CountIf function examples, I have a range of values, items 1 through 5. Column F is where I will have the formula, and column H is an explanation of what the formula will do. Starting with row 2, I want to count how many cells contain the value apple. In F2, the formula will be equals CountIf, open parentheses, A2, colon, E2, comma, double quote, apple, double quote, close parentheses. The return result is 1. This formula will find the exact string apple with no variant, so 1 is the correct result. A2 is the only cell with the exact string apple. In F3, let's add a wildcard. This is using the asterisk symbol. Equals CountIf, open parentheses, A3, colon, E3, comma, double quote, asterisk, apple, double quote, close parentheses. I have placed the asterisk in front of the string apple. This will count all cells where apple is at the end of the string. The result is 2, having cells A3 and D3 match the criteria. In F4, I want to find where apple is at the beginning of the string value. Equals CountIf, open parentheses, A4, colon, E4, comma, double quote, apple, asterisk, double quote, close parentheses. Our result is now 3 for cells A4, C4, and E4. Now let's look for all cells that have the string apple. In cell F5, the formula will be equals CountIf, open parentheses, A5, colon, E5, comma, double quote, asterisk, apple, asterisk, double quote, close parentheses. The result is 4, finding all cells containing the word apple. Cells A5, C5, D5, and E5. The next wildcard example will use the question mark. The question mark is used as the wildcard character to match individual characters. So now I want to find all strings in row 6 that are 6 characters long ending in E. So our formula would be equals CountIf, open parentheses, A6, colon, E6, comma, double quote, and then 5 question marks, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the letter E, double quote, close parentheses. The result is 1. The formula counted cell B6 orange since it has 6 letters and the word ends in E. CountIf will also let you do an array of values. I want to sum up all rows that have the words fritter or tart. I will also need to use the sum function. I have a link to the sum function video in the description below. My formula in cell F7 is equals sum, open parentheses, CountIf, open parentheses, A7, colon, E7, comma, bracket, double quote, asterisk, fritter, asterisk, double quote, comma, double quote, asterisk, tart, asterisk, double quote, close bracket, close parentheses, close parentheses. Our result is 2. It is counting cells C7 and E7 because they contain the word fritter or tart. In row 8, we will count how many blank cells there are in the row. You could also use the countBlank function. I have a link to that video in the description below. In cell F8, the formula will be equals CountIf, open parentheses, A8, colon, E8, comma, double quote, close parentheses. We have a result of 2. This is counting cells A8 and C8 because they are blank. Now if we want to count the rows that are not blank, we would use this formula in F9. Equals CountIf, open parentheses, A9, E9, comma, double quote, not equal to, double quote, close parentheses. This is counting cells B9, D9, and E9 because they are not blank. The CountIf is not only for string values. You could also use the function for numbers and dates. I will not go through every mathematical option available, but here are a couple of examples. In row 10, I want to count how many numbers are less than 100. The formula will be equals CountIf, open parentheses, A10, colon, E10, comma, double quote, less than 100, double quote, close parentheses. The formula counted cells B10, C10, and E10 to give us a result of 3. We could also use references in our formulas. In F11, the formula will be equals CountIf, open parentheses, A11, colon, E11, comma, double quote, greater than, double quote, ampersand, G11, close parentheses. This will reference cell G11 with the value of 25, giving us a result of 3. Cells A11, B11, and D11 are greater than 25. In the last example, I will use the today function, linked to the video in the description below. We have a row of dates and want to count how many are less than today. Depending on when you are using the Excel file in the description below, your results may differ. In cell F12, enter equals CountIf, open parentheses, A12, colon, E12, comma, double quote, less than, double quote, ampersand, today, open and close parentheses, close parentheses. There, for this example, I have a result of 4, with cells A12 through D12 being less than today's date. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. It really does help my channel. Leave a comment below to let me know if this video was helpful or if you would like to see a video on a specific Excel topic. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you next time.